What's happening, everybody, and welcome back. So here's a little short adventure we're going on today. Past few weekends we've been taking off from camping. We've had a lot of stuff to do at home, getting caught up on some house cleaning. Thanks to my lovely wife for going out of her way to go out and pressure wash the house, making it look beautiful, and then me getting out there getting our camper cleaned up for the fall season. But yeah, today we are heading over to Lake Wiley Dam. We're gonna try to do some catfishing. As you seen in the last video, I didn't catch nothing catfish related. That really stinks because that's my favorite to go after, but it happens. So I'm gonna get set up over here. We are at the dam, getting ready to go get everything put together. So hopefully we'll catch something. But once we get over there, I'll get you back. All right, guys, well, we're set up. I got 2 rods in the water this morning. Trying 2 different cameras this time, so we're gonna see if we get some better action. Got you on top of my head. Oh, look, right there. We got something damn biting on it. Come on, let's get a big blue this morning. Yeah, we got some nibbles. Waiting for a takedown. Now that one's running over there a little bit in the middle of the river. All we gotta do is let that hook set. Now on this one here, I've got the strawberry jello chicken liver out there. And then on that one there, I've got a night crawler on it. So yeah, hoping for a good takedown. And as you can see, here's the Lake Wiley Dam. That's the first time I fished out here. That is a very popular place for kayakers, floaters to go all the way down the Catawba River. As you can see, kayak fishing as well. So yeah, it's a very popular spot. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already pretty busy, so hope for a good day. looks like he lost interest in it. Oh, nope, he's still there. Look at him right there. And my rig's hung up in this damn bush. Yep, there's a big old gar right there. My biggest fear is I'm gonna hit this darn thing, and the test line on this rod here is not very heavy. I'd have to wear his butt out to get him in. Well guys, unfortunately, nothing was hit. Had a good time still. I mean, there was a lot of people out here. This is a popular area to everybody to go float down the river. So unfortunately, I don't know if it was just because there was a lot of splashing, motorboats, kayaks, everything running up and down this part of the river. Like I said, we just didn't really see anything that was worth getting exciting about outside of the gar running up. But yeah, we're gonna head back home now and go get ready for our dove season kickoff, which starts tomorrow. So I gotta get home, get everything packed, and I'll see you there.